pushing it below that, it would be I want to make sure I've got the it's non-stop then.
This big one's a hard to see. Yeah, so let's make sure you follow it. Yeah, and then you just have to stabilize it. Why do I tend to create I saw that worse I do is I look at it when I get you have to sort of like weird shape. Let's get the wings across there. Start now.